Many people believe that suppressed emotions simply go away. That if you don't feel anger, fear, or sadness, everything will pass. But emotions don't disappear. They change form. What isn't felt doesn't vanish. It finds another way to express itself. Through tension in the body. Through sudden reactions. Through exhaustion without a clear reason. A suppressed emotion doesn't become weaker. It becomes uncontrolled. That's why real stability is not suppression. It's awareness. When an emotion is seen, it stops controlling you. And only then does choice appear.